Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. Do you want to be rich or really wealthy? Is it the same? Well, according to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, there is a difference between these two. The rich have lots of money, but the wealthy don't worry about money. Rich is measured in dollars, wealth is measured in time. For example, most people think 1 million is rich, but if expenses are 1 lakh per month, wealth is only for 10 months. How long you can survive without working is how wealthy you are. Being wealthy is more important than being rich. So, for being wealthy, you should invest in some good stocks. Today, we are going to discuss one such stock. This stock you can invest for long term as well as for positional trade. This company was founded in 1976 and is headquartered at Rohini, Delhi. They are the largest footwear manufacturer company in India. You guessed it right, it's Relaxo Footwears. Relaxo Footwears Limited is the largest footwear manufacturing company in India. Sells footwear for men, women and children in India and internationally. It offers footwear for sports, walking, formal and training and gym shoes. The firm also provides footwear accessories. They mainly deal in non-leather products, that is rubber, EVA slippers, canvas shoes, sports shoes, sandals, school shoes and other type of footwears. They are the market leader in value segment footwear. It has a portfolio of renowned brands like Relaxo, Sparks, Flight, Bahamas, etc. The company sells its products through retailers, through distributors, retail outlets, exports and e-commerce. So before going into key performance parameters, let's see the revenue mix of the company. If you see the product wise breakup, majority of the revenue is coming from footwear, that is around 99.5%. Rest 0.1% is from wind power and others contribute around 0.3%. If you see the location wise breakup, majority of the revenue, that is 96.2% of the revenue is coming from India. 3.8% of the revenue is getting from rest of the world. If you see the performance parameter, the company is having an overall market cap of around 31,646 crore rupees. Its current price is around 1,271 rupees. Currently, the stock is trading at a PE of 116, which is way above the industry standard. The industry PE is around 34.8. The company is not a high dividend paying company. Its dividend yield is around 0.2%. It is having a very good ROE and ROCE of 20.2% and 26% respectively. The face value of the share is 1 and it is having a price to book value of around 20. The debt to equity ratio is 0.09. That means the company is literally having no debt. The company doesn't have any pledged shares. Its interest coverage ratio is around 22.9, which shows the capability of company to pay interest. It is having a cash equivalence of 13.5 crores. It has generated a free cash flow of around 391 crores. If you see the sales growth over past 5 years, it is having a growth of around 7%, whereas profit grew by approximately 20% over past 5 years. If you see the financial trend of Relaxo over past 4 years, company has generated a revenue of 1950 crores in 2018, whereas in 2021, company has generated revenue of 2380 crores. If you see profit, in 2018, company has generated a profit of 160 crores, whereas in 2021, it has generated an overall profit of around 290 crores, which is approximately 16% CAGR over past 4 years. If you see the shareholding pattern of the company, 70.8% of the shares are with promoters. FII hold 3.8%, whereas mutual fund hold 6.9%. Others, including retailers, hold 18.3% of overall shares. If you see the return over past 1 year, it has generated a good return of around 45.45%. It has generated a whopping 500% return for last 5 years. It accounts 43% CAGR over past 5 years. Now let's see the technicals of Relaxo. Currently, Relaxo is trading in the range of 1270. After the big fall of pandemic, the stock started consolidating for some time. After this consolidation, it's given a good up move. Again, it went into a consolidation mode. This process repeats in Relaxo. Again, after that, it had given a good up move. Then it consolidated in this range. Again, it has given a good up move. And now currently it is in the consolidation phase. So if this pattern repeats, after the consolidation, it can give a good up move. And then again, it will start into the consolidation phase. If you see the current consolidation phase, it is consolidating with a good volume. Currently, the RSI is below 50. That is a matter of concern. So we can wait for the stocks to retrace the 200-day moving average. The stock is showing good support over the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average is around 1200. So once it reaches 1200, once it starts retracing the RSI above 50, one can start accumulating the stock for a long-term view. So in short term on daily chart, the company is showing bearishness. Now let's see medium term. For medium term on weekly chart, it's always taking a support of 50-day moving average. Currently, it is holding at 20-day moving average. So it can fall up to 50-day moving average of 1200 levels. It is also trading with good volume. So on medium term, it is showing slightly bullish. RSI is also above 50. That means the momentum is still intact. So on medium term, on weekly basis, the company is showing mildly positive. Now let's see the technicals over long term. For doing analysis on long term, we will open monthly chart. On monthly chart, the stock is showing good strength. It is not touching over the 20-day moving average, which shows bullishness. It is trading with a good volume and RSI is also showing good strength. RSI is above 70, which shows the momentum of the stock on long-term basis. One can start accumulating this stock for long-term as well as for positional trade. Now let's see some of the good level to enter in Relaxo. Now let's see the long-term view of Relaxo on Bollinger Band. On Bollinger Band, the stock is walking through the upper zone that shows bullishness. From 2018, the stock starts walking through the upper band of Bollinger. Currently, it is slightly off from the upper band. So on the next up move, it can touch the upper band of Bollinger, which again shows bullishness over long term. So now let's see some of the good levels to enter in Relaxo for long term. Currently, the stock is trading in the range of 1270. It has retraced from the previous support of 1227. So it had taken the support thrice in last 3 months. So if it breaks that support, it can fall back to 1141 level. Further, if it's dropped down, it can go to maximum of 1000 level, where it is having a strong demand. On the upper side, it is having resistance at 1378 level. Once it breaks the immediate resistance of 1378, it can go up to 1439 level, which is the max high. So one can start accumulating in tranches. They can buy the first leg at 1200 range. Again, they can add the stock at 1141 level as well as in 1000 rupees level if it falls further. It is one of the great stocks for long-term accumulation. One can start accumulating this stock for generating good wealth over the year. If you wish to join our WhatsApp group for information sharing related to stock market, you can WhatsApp me in this number. This group is only for information sharing and not for tips. All these buying levels discussed here are just for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisors before purchasing any stock. Also, I am planning to make a series of swing positional stock ideas with fundamentally good companies, which will be released on a regular basis. So stay tuned so that you will not miss that. If you are not a part of FinveStocks family, don't forget to subscribe so as to get a regular update. If you like the content and analysis of this video, please do share and like this video. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please don't forget to post your messages on comments. Which stock you are planning to buy at current levels. Also do comment which stock you wish to see the detailed analysis. I'll definitely do it for you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.